Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both phones ready and updated. This avoids missing features. Open Snapchat, tap your profile, then Settings, and find Family Center. This is where parental controls live. Tap Invite to generate a pairing code and send it to your teen. You need their cooperation to link accounts. Do this now so you can move straight into configuring what you monitor and control. Once linked, permissions and options become available immediately. Once the teen enters the pairing code on their device, the accounts link and you'll see a permissions menu. Choose what to supervise. Chat content, friends list visibility, and snap map location are common options, because each setting balances safety with independence. Make selections deliberately. Enable chat supervision to see messages, or limit only friend list and location if you prefer lighter oversight. Make sure to explain why you chose each permission. Finish by confirming your settings saved and then test the link. Send a message or ask for a location update to verify visibility. Once done, monitor regularly and adjust permissions over time as your teen shows responsibility. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First, update both apps, restart the phones, and regenerate the pairing code. Most connection issues clear with these steps. If problems persist, repeat the invite process and make sure both accounts meet Snapchat's age and verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.